Welcome back everybody, I hope you're doing well. In this one we're shooting down to Argyre Planitia in the southern mid-latitudes of Mars to a new site just west of a place called Cypress. Lots of anomalies in this one folks, let's get cracking on. The high-rise photograph we're looking at here is called Gullies in Western Nereidum Montes. I hope I've pronounced that correctly. Acquired on the 20th of February 2021 at 25.2 centimeters per pixel resolution. And as usual, I'm showing you images cropped from the JP2 black and white map projected file, just over 480 megabytes in size. And there's a look at the low-res black and white, and the anomalies I'll be showing you are some of these white dots that are scattered about through this region. So the site is located just west of Cypress. The coordinates 46 degrees 50 minutes south, 51 degrees 10 minutes west. We'll have a look at some of the other anomalies close by towards the end of the video. So to kick off with, we're looking at another one of these large parts with a smaller object near the center. That piece there is about 12 meters across, and it looks like we have a rectangular hole cut into this object with a small round part sticking out of that hollowed out area. Rather weird. Seen so many of those on Mars. Then we're looking at more rectangular items. This one over here is about 4 by 9 meters in size. Straight edges, almost right angles to it. It looks as if this is highly eroded. And then the part over here to the right, that's about 12 to 14 meters long. We've seen 3 or 4 other similar items on Mars as well. It's got a small square area there on the top, and then it's got this strange indentation on top. Got parallel edges or bevels cut onto that object there. We're looking at another rectangular item just to the south of those two, measuring about 5 by 10 meters in size. Also straight edges, parallel sides there, a right angle, and it seems to have some pattern on the top with a small part there in the center. Another rectangular item, about 12 by 12 meters in size. Check out the uniform thickness to this block, straight edges, right angles again folks, and it seems to have a small partial disc-shaped object lying on the top. These blocks look very eroded, not like the others we recently checked out. Check out this one, it's about the same size, and it's also got a partial disc-shaped object in the one corner. Also note the uniform thickness to this block. Right, let's shoot down to Argyre in the southern mid-latitudes. And there's still something wrong with my Google Earth installation, folks. Place names and proper high-res overlays aren't showing up, but let's go to that site. You can see there's a lot of anomalies in this region on Mars. So just briefly, let's have a look at those anomalies we just checked out for comparison with the other anomalies I'll be showing you now. And then a site just to the east of that, check out this strange, it's got like a teardrop shape to it, a small disc in the center. 3 similar items next to one another there folks. Looks like some type of wreckage or maybe technology. Long narrow port. This one's got that strange design on it. Look at the two crescent shaped ports there, and then these smaller round protrusions running through the center there. Another one of those ports with a smaller port near its center. Let's go down to this site. Check out this port. It's got like a figure 8 design. Small little block right there in its center. More of these larger ports with smaller objects in their centers. Let's see what else is nearby. This is to the north. Check out these ports. All got smaller dark objects on them. Looks like there's a hole on this one. And then this looks like some type of wreckage, or maybe even a type of structure. Looks like metallic sheet metal going on there. And then this side to the west, you got that strange oval part, very symmetrical, parallel sides there. We've seen lots of these sort of tombstone shaped objects on Mars as well, and these blocks with rounded corners, they appear in multiple sites on Mars. Check out that alignment of smaller blocks that seem to be cut to fit tightly together. It's got a gap between those. That's about 1 meter in width, that gap there, folks. And then this strange part, it's got multiple layers to it. Check out the design. It looks almost like a folded handkerchief or serviette. And then this site down to the south, looks like a type of a Stonehenge going on there. Let's do 1 or 2 more sites west of Argyre Mons. Check out that opening over there, guys. 90-degree angle to it. Another perfect block. It's almost like a wedge shape on top of that. Another disc with a small part in its center. There's another one of those blocks with a rounded corner. This one's got a small protrusion in its center. And then the alignment of those 3 smaller parts in a triangle. All over Mars. Check out this structured item. Looks like that part fits into that right angle over there. And we've got a lot more of these long narrow parts. There's another triangle depicted over there, folks. Get those parallel slots. And then blocks. Check out these. Looks like some type of structure with these protrusions on them. Very similar to the blocks down in South America. There's another triangle depicted there. Let's check out one last site. This is a higher res photo. Check out that structure again. And it looks like this is some type of container. Look at that dark area inside it. And there too. It looks hollowed out. Rectangular in design as well. More blocks with protrusions on them. and then multiple slabs lying on top of one another there. So folks, just before I sign off, I want to thank each and every one of you for donating to my work and research over the past 3 years, and specifically Thomas, who made a handsome donation just the other day. If it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't have bought a new PC. This is what I've just ordered. I'm waiting for it to be delivered, and you can see PCs in South Africa cost a fortune. So this is an i9 10850 with an entry-level motherboard and graphics card, but this one's going to last me at least 20 years, folks. The one that I've got now is over a decade old, and it's very noisy. Hopefully this new PC is a lot quieter, and it's going to last me, as I say, at least another 2 decades. I don't know how long this one is going to last that I'm running now. It will become a backup PC running Windows XP for some of my older apps. That's it for this one, folks. Thank you for watching. Give it a huge thumbs up if you liked it. Let's have a chat in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you guys think of these. Take care. I'll see you on Mars in the next video. Ciao for now.